Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to make your TikTok account private to public account. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, tap on your TikTok application. Now as soon as you open the TikTok application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, tap on your profile icon which is right at the bottom on the right hand side corner. So next on the profile page, as you can see right on top there, you can see private account. Now in order to turn private account into public account, what you have to do is, now on this following page, tap on the try bar icon or the three dash icon which is on the upper right corner. And as soon as you tap on it, down there you can see two different options. So from here you have to tap on the second option which is settings and privacy. Now on the other page you can see there is a multiple option. Now from here you have to tap on privacy which is on the second option. Now on the other page, as you can see right on top there, you can see private account, and just next to it right in the corner you can see a green icon which indicates that your account is currently private account. So in order to turn it into public account, you simply tap on the green icon. Now as soon as I tap on the green button, down there you can see a pop-up window, and right in the bottom you can see switch. Just simply tap on it. Now here as you can see that earlier it was green, now it has turned into gray, which indicates that your private account has turned into public account. Now that is how you can make private to public account on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.